Tsunami means tidal waves or ocean waves caused by earthquakes. The tsunami itself is a large sea wave that suddenly hits a coastal area that comes quickly. Earthquake activity or volcanoes that erupt under the sea generate tsunami waves. Hug tsunami waves cause flooding and damage when they hit the coastal plains. Tsunami form when the seafloor rises and falls along a fault during an earthquakes. As a result, the balance of the sea is disturbed. The bigger the fracture and greater the wave power generated. After the earthquake occurred, a few moments later the seawater will reset. After that, the seawater will return to the mainland and in the form of big waves. Not only caused by earthquakes, tsunamis are also formed due to volcanic eruption on the ocean floor. This causes high movement of seawater and surrounding waters. Tsunami is one of the disasters that causes loss and damage to humans. When the tsunami hits residential area, the greatest damage occurs because the seawater will drag whatever it's in its path. Therefore, in the face of this disaster, we must always be alert and ready. So that's how tsunamis happen. Thank you very much.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Coronavirus or COVID-19 is a very dangerous disease. This virus spreads very quickly and spread to various regions. Coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the human respiratory system. Then this virus will continue to infect the body immune system, which can lead to death. Initially, in what talk, the coronavirus was transmitted for wild animals that were eaten by humans, such as bat and snake. However, there is no strong evidence for this allegation. Because of its rapid and widespread spread, the coronavirus has spread the global pandemic to death and caused a lot of loss for all parties. Be diligent, is washing your hand and wearing a mask when living in the house to prevent the spread of this virus. We all hope that this virus will disperse and soon a possible and condition will return to normal.
My name is Ega and I will explain about the lightning. Lightning is a massive electrostatic discharge between the electrically charged regions within clouds or between a cloud and the Earth's surface. A lightning or bolt can be several miles long. It is so hot, with an average temperature of 34,000 centigrade, that the air around it suddenly expands with a loud blast. This is the thunder we hear. Lightning occurs due to negative charge transfer electrons to the positive charge protons. Scientists suspect jumps on electric sparks occur. There are several steps that are usually passed. The first is the compression of electric charge on the cloud equation. Generally, it will accumulate at the of this ordinary lightning. Lightning occurs in hot, wet storms. Most air is driven up to a great height. It forms a type of cloud called cumulonimbus. When the cloud rises high enough, the moisture freezes and ice crystal and snowflakes are formed. These begin to fall, turning to rain on the way down. This rain meets more moist air rising, and it is the friction between them
name is Vivinarti from 11 IPA 4. I will read the explanation text. You'll agree this novel is always fascinating. In this novel, all people stay out the house and play with snow. People can make gardens, snowmen travel along the snow, or play with snowball with the families. However, how represent about how snow made. Snow is water droplets falling from the clouds. This is droplets whether they become solid and create snow. In heaven, because rain consists of water vapor particles being cold in the water. Snowflakes are created by crystal of ice that have established around little vividly in the air. They grow from small forms into big ones. The form of snowflakes in various that can also off. Snowflakes are created by crystal of ice that have established around little vividly in the air. They grow from small forms into big ones. The form of snowflakes in various that can also off.
No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of.
Good morning, viewers. Meet again with me, Nurul Anissa, in the run this program about natural disasters. Namely, legislators to present the most actual and reliable news, which we summarize in around the news this morning. Before I show a video of a landslide event, I will tell you the meaning of a landslide first. Landslides are often called ground movement is a geological event that occurs due to the movement of rock or soil masses of various types and types such as the fall of rocks or larger lumps of soil. In general, slides are caused by two factors, namely driving factors and triggering factors. The following happened in that location. Landslide closes South Sulawesi Sulbar Connection Road in Tanah Toraja residents' activities are totally paralyzed. Another landslide disaster occurred in Tanah Toraja Regency. This time, the landslide material closed the connection road for the province of South Sulawesi and West Sulawesi, which resulted in total paralysis of residents' activities. The access was covered by landslide material in the main road for residents of police personnel from the Tanah Toraja Regional Police together with the TNI from the Tanah Toraja Forten couldn't move it quickly to open the access road with maxis doors. Members of the TNI and police personnel went directly to the location of the landslide disasters, cutting the during and clearing mud method with students that had closed access to the main road for residents in Lembang Sasak and Rembo Rembo between districts Tanah Toraja. Even the equipment they brought with them, it seems that members of TNI and Polri are helping the local residents in their efforts to clean up the landslide material that has blocked the road. After a few moments of cleaning together, finally the two wheeled vehicles were able to pass, although he had to be extra careful. Tanah Toraja police says AKBP Malopo said the landslide cut off access to the action road from between district Tanah Toraja Regency South Sulawesi to Mamasa Regency West Sulawesi. The landslide also ruined the economic access of residents who are mostly coffee farmers in Lembang Sasak and Lembang Rembo Rembo, he said Monday. This is the news that we can convey today. I'm Nurul Anissa, the host of this morning's program, feeling grateful. And see you another time. Good morning.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Rodia Septiani. I'm from class 11 IPA 4. The title of the explanatory text that I will present is Flow. Flood is the most frequent natural disaster in Indonesia. The definition of flooding is a condition in which an area in altitude be large amounts of water. The cause of flooding is human action itself due to canals in land us, dumping garbage into rivers and deforestation. Daily human activities such as throwing garbage in rivers cause clogged. Drains in water cannot flow properly so it overflows out of rivers. Floods have indeed become one of the dangers that cause great damage to humans. The greatest damage occurs when the flood occurs on the surface of the population so that it drags and destroys everything in its path. Therefore, we must always be vigilant and prepare ourselves for this disaster. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction myself, my name is Salsabila. I am from 11 Natural Science 4. I want to read the explanation text about rainbow. Rainbow is a meteorological phenomenon caused by reflection, refraction, and diffraction of light in water droplets that produce a spectrum of light that appears in the sky. Rainbows are usually the shape of a colorful circular arch. What is the process of rainbow formation in the tile? All events begin when sunlight passes through raindrops. Then the light is beamed to the center of the drop. Light that was previously white is now separated from each other into a spectrum of colors. The process does stop there. The colors that have been separated then separated again into very small parts. There is more light separated from each other in the droplet. The longer the light is increasingly curved and from a curve which is called a rainbow. Rainbow is a large circular color spectrum arch that occurs due to refraction of sunlight by water grains. When sunlight passes through water droplets, it refracts like when it penetrates a glass frame and comes out into the rainbow color spectrum. So, in water droplets, we have got different color lining up from one side to the other side of the water droplets. Some of this colored light is then reflected from the far side of the water droplets back and out again from the water droplets. Light comes back from the water droplets in different directions depending on the color. The colors in this rainbow are arranged with red at the top and purple at the bottom of the rainbow. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Fani Nur Widayati from 11 Natural Science 4. I will read the explanation text and detail the process of chocolate formation. Chocolate comes from the cacao tree. This tree is native to South America. However, today, cacao trees are widely cultivated in tropical regions such as Indonesia. From the cacao bean, a processed product known as chocolate is produced. So, how do you make the chocolate that we often eat? The first process of making chocolate is the selection of quality beans. The beans are then weighed and sorted by type. Next, the beans are fermented for about a week, dried in the sun. The The beans are then roasted to develop the character and flavor of the chocolate. After roasting, the cocoa beans will break apart and separate from their shells. In this process, you will get something edible, the cacao nib. The nibs are then roasted, ground, and ground to form cacao cow. To make the cocoa mass sweet and develop its texture, chocolates and other ingredients such as sugar, vanilla, milk, and cocoa butter, which are mixed together to form a consistent butter. At this point, the chocolate is edible, although the texture is not perfect. In order for the texture to be completely smooth and the chocolate flavor to come out, the chocolate must be stirred constantly using a machine. Then it enters the stage of developing elasticity by heating and cooling. After that, the chocolate can be molded into various shapes. The chocolate making process is long and complicated. However, with precision and patience in making it, you can enjoy the sweet and delicious taste of chocolate. Thank you for listening. I end with I say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce my name Nadia Dwi Arifin. You can call me Nadia. I'm from 11th grade Natural Science 4. My establishment here will explain a little about the events of the lunar eclipse. Let's see. Understanding. A lunar eclipse is a type of eclipse that occurs when part or all of the moon's cross-section is covered by the Earth's shadow. This event occurs when the Earth is between the Sun and the Moon. In the Sun's straight line, a result sunlight cannot reach the Moon because it is blocked by the Earth. Process occurs. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Moon is in opposition to the Sun. However, due to the tilt of the plane of the Moon's orbit with respect to the plane of the eclipse, it is 5 degrees. So not every opposition of the Moon with the Sun will result in a lunar eclipse. The intersection of the plane of the Moon's orbit with the plane of the eclipse will give rise to 2 points of intersection called nodes. That is the point where the Moon intersects the plane of the eclipse. A lunar eclipse will occur when the Moon is in opposition to that node. The Moon takes 29.53 days to move from one point of opposition to another. So supposedly, a lunar eclipse will be followed by a solar eclipse because the 2 nodes are located on the line which connects between the Sun and the Earth. In the event of a lunar eclipse, often the Moon can still be seen. This is because there is still sunlight, which is deflected toward the Moon by the Earth's atmosphere, and most of this deflected light has a red-like spectrum. That is why during a lunar eclipse, the Moon will appear dark in color, which can be copper red, orange, or brown. The lunar eclipse is observable with the naked eye and not dangerous at all. 3 types. Lunar eclipses are divided into 3 types, namely 1. Total lunar eclipse. The entire Earth's umbra shadow fails to cover the Moon, so that the Sun, Earth, and Moon are exactly in the same line. 2. Partial lunar eclipse. The Earth does not completely block the Moon from the Sun's rays. Meanwhile, the other parts of the Moon's surface are in the penumbra area, so that some of the Sun's rays still reach the Moon's surface. 3. Penumbral lunar eclipse. Parts of the Moon are in the penumbra, so that Moon can still be seen in a dim color. Conclusion. So, a solar eclipse occurs when the Sun, Moon, and Earth are in a straight line so that the Sun's light is blocked by the Moon and does not reach the Earth. This blockage of sunlight causes the presence of a Moon shadow that covers some areas of the Earth. That's all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey, yo, I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, wearing that dick. Bitches on the line, and you know.
beautiful natural phenomenon that occurs in the sky after rainfall. It is colorful arch that appears in the sky, consisting of 7 distinct colors. Rainbows are formed when the sun rays pass through raindrops. That light is reflected or bent as it enters the water droplets, and that it reflects off the back of the droplets. That light is the reflects again as it hits the droplets, creating the different colors of the rainbow. Rainbow have been the subject of mystic and legend for centuries, and they are often seen as symbol of hope and promise in addition to their cultural significance. Rainbow are also important scientifically as they provide a way to study light and its behavior.
My name is Amelia Hudaibah. I'm from class 11 IPA4. Here, I will read my explanatory text, namely coronavirus. Coronavirus disease 2019, or commonly known as COVID-19, is a pandemic that was first discovered in the city of Wuhan, in China at the end of December 2019. This virus spread quickly and spread to various regions of the world, one of which is your country. The coronavirus itself entered Indonesia in early March 2020 and claimed many lives. Even now, this virus may still be spreading. Coronavirus is a collection of viruses that can infect the human respiratory system. Then, this virus will continue to infect if the body's immune system is weak, which can lead to death. Initially, it was thought that the coronavirus was transmitted from wild animals that were eaten by humans, such as bats and snakes. However, there is no strong evidence for this allegation because of its rapid and widespread spread. The coronavirus has been declared a global pandemic, causing the government to urge the public to keep their distance and to vaccine at least the first dose. This virus caused a lot of losses for our parties because to reduce effort to spread COVID-19. The government issues a PPKM policy in which all people will urged to stay at home or do a lockdown. Be diligent in washing your hands and wearing a mask when leaving the house to prevent the spread of this virus. We all hope this virus will disappear as soon as possible and conditions will return to normal. That is all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.